Good morning, welcome to today's video. Welcome to stage 2 of Hotchillee's London Paris, the 15th edition, and yeah, still doing it on the fixed gear. Stupid idea.
Feeling fresh.
Yeah? How many beers did you have last night?
6 plus a bottle of red.
Where's Tone? He's not even here. Did he get out of bed?
I think he's still looking for his crank.
So today's stage is 180 kilometers. That's a little bit longer than yesterday, but it's going to be rolling. There's no massive climbs. The fixed gear shouldn't be as much of an issue as it was yesterday. The hardest bit yesterday was actually the descent, because you were just getting no rest. Legs are feeling good, knees feeling good. This is the longest time I've actually spent on this bike and on this saddle. And judging by yesterday's 160k, I'm pretty impressed.
Bit sweaty, mate.
It's warm out there today.
It is.
It is quite warm. Oh. How's that?
Love it. Ooh, yes. The best bit is watching Francis go downhill.
I don't mind the uphills, I'll be honest. Started off nice and cool in the morning, but it's got to about 30 degrees quite quickly because we've gone inland. The roads here though, super smooth, very easy to ride on this bike.
Tony, we found what you look like.
Not the picture, an actual one.
One of the coming. That one there. That is so.
The real pale one.
Yeah, the real pale one. Yeah.
Did you know you played an Ewok in Star Wars?
The one there.
Comes up to Princess Leia. Just finished the climb time section. Those Baxted Hotchillee guys from South Africa just bombed it up there. I'm happy with how I got up there. It's just a case of saving their legs as much as I can, pushing this gear. And the rest of today, there isn't any more significant climbs, so all good.
What the hell just happened, Tony?
I was open the sprint, chain came off. Nearly did a Superman. That's the problem when he's got 2 cranks.
That was one of the best saves I've ever seen. I wish I'd got it on camera.
I wish you got that on camera. That's never to be repeated.
You were sideways, mate.
I don't think I've ever done anything like that.
You want to do it again?
No. That's it now. I've done me, you, Repetto.
Just attention seeking, I think that's what it is, isn't
There was nobody there. I was just trying to
What were you
catch
sprinting for? There was no one there.
I wanted to try and make a time on him.
I just wanted to beat him.
That sounds
He's got weird boob sweat again.
Weirdo, mate. Just say, how hard would it be to ride a cow?
I'm not a cow tipping, but cows,
Someone there.
cows stand up asleep. So after
They
night
sleep
out,
standing up, you mean?
they sleep standing up. So at night you go to the cows, and cow tipping is you push the cow over.
That's so mean.
But you, which came from the film Cars. Cars, the one with Lightning McQueen. Can't put those up.
Service. Good service, yeah.
It's not full though, is it? Shit service.
You got what?
Shit sandwich, did you get that?
Yeah, well, vegan. Vegans are rewarded for their service to the world. So I get a much better meal.
Don't forget to breathe in, Tony.
No, fuck off.
You look a bit smashed.
Tired now.
Everybody, this is Miles. We met last night. You're doing the London Paris for a very special reason. Do you want to tell the camera a little bit about it? And,
Yeah, so this is the third of 3 epic challenges that I'm undertaking. The first of which was the Fred Whitten, which I did in May. The second was Everesting, which I did in June. And then this is the third, which is London to Paris. And the reason why I'm doing it is my little boy suffers from a very rare genetic skin condition called epidermolysis bullosa, and the charity I'm doing it for is Deborah. So this is a very it's very close to my heart doing this for my son.
I'm going to put the details of the charity down below and its Just Giving page, so definitely check it out.
It's a London Paris. It looks like you've got boobs on your shirt.
Rolling into Breville in the next few minutes.
Yeah, kind of like a bit saggy.
After that, we
Be all
will
right.
then.
What is that?
Wow, there's a long story. I shall cut short.
Good.
When I was in South Africa, a man gave me a bag, and in that bag was this scarf. And he said that if you make it wet, it will cool your body temperature, or cool the ambient temperature by up to 15 degrees. Currently, I'm roasting.
Is it working?
Negative.
genuinely think, because it honestly feels
cold, don't you?
I don't feel hot. I'm comfortable. I'm not overheating. Yeah.
41 degrees it's got to now.
Yeah. Oh God, is that recorded? They kept have me saying that on the camera. Like, right there, then.
You're gonna ride like that?
I might do.
Yeah.
I cover up my nipples so it's legal. Oh, I'm not sure.
You look a bit like an Ewok, like Tony.
Don't know if that's a good thing or not. Looking like Tony.
It's getting a bit desperate now, this isn't it?
So we stopped again just to fill up water because it's getting so hot.
Sweaty. Some water? That's good. I'm alright right now.
Water sucks. Imagine trying to do this unsupported. You just have to stop at every shop, and there isn't any shops, it's just farms.
Just the hospital.
A little bit of cold water.
Cold
water?
Yeah.
You're my favourite. Time you had a beer.
Time you got to watch.
Time you actually genuinely had a beer.
He's too young to drink.
No,
I'm not. 18.
Yummy. Had a beer. Didn't film anything for the last hour of that ride. Up there with the hardest rides ever, I think. Heat got to me quite a lot. Started like not sweating anymore. Couldn't get enough fluid down. And now I feel very sick. Well, I got some crisps. I'm gonna eat these. Don't even feel like drinking water. Now it's raining. It's raining.
The rain?
We just came out to sit here in the sun and it's raining.
42 degrees all day and we finished.
Could have rained when these were like.
How was your ride?
It's so hot.
If I film you from here, you look naked.
Yeah, I've got like black arms with dust and that was hard.
Muddy. And the bike filthy. Did you do some
yeah, a tractor leaked actual cow shit all over the road 5 minutes after you went past. And so we got shit everywhere. Yeah.
properly full of shit, as was your kit.
Yeah.
How was the ride otherwise?
It was good. It was like, that's a proper epic day. You'd look at the temperature forecast and be like, okay, I won't ride today, normally. But yeah.
It's raining quite a lot.
We got
one of those.
Thanks.
Heineken? Large? Yeah, sweet.
Well, you got change in smelly kit.
Yeah, but we can have a beer, then we can get changed and have more beer.
Yeah.
Just turn the volume up.
He's amplifying it with the beer.
So that brings an end to 180 kilometers today. It was extremely hot. That was by far the hardest bit. When I was pedaling downhill, no respite whatsoever. In fact, I think it was heating me up. Tomorrow's the final day and the entry into Paris. Looking at the profile, it's actually not quite as bad as today. So even though the legs are a bit fatigued, should be all good. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.